All right. Oh, say, can you see? No, friends and family. I'm smiling ear to ear. This is my rig right now. I'm going into this 85, and it's got EMG active pickups in it, and it just sounds awesome, plays awesome. I just did a fret leveling and stuff. But this is my pedal board. My pedal board is nothing but I've been throwing a wah in for some fun, and it goes into a chorus to split it. And what it does is it comes into here, and I go into two stacks in the bedroom. We go into a Randall solid state, and we put that one on about number 10. And then we go into a Marshall 150 watt, and we put that one at about 5 or 4. And that's called lighting these things up, man. I got to have this one cranked and this one on about 4 or 5. And it goes into some creambacks in there, and then it goes into and then modern day Randall that can do about 300 watts. These are all crate 12-inch instrument speakers, guitar speakers. They sound all right mixed with a solid state head, you know. And anyway, oh, this is my new TV. Yep, this is my new TV now. Took it out of the closet after 20 years. Hooked up a converter and an antenna on the roof, and it gets 30 channels for free from the city. It's kind of nice. So yeah, I thought I'd pull that out and make it part of the house. All right. Well, have a good day, YouTube.